Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you basically what you need to start off airsoft. So obviously you need a gun. It doesn't have to be the best gun. It can just be like a pistol or like an AR. It doesn't have to be like a really good gun. It just has to be a gun. I recommend renting out a gun just in case you don't like it. Like you try it out and you don't really like airsoft, you don't have to like keep the gun and waste all your money. It's cheaper, and you also need face protection. You could use glasses, but it's not that safe. I recommend like buying actual, like airsoft glasses, like these, and like a mask. So, also if you wear like glasses, like help your sight better glasses, I recommend wearing contact lenses because it's not going to be too comfortable with these, and they might even break. So. And you're going to need something to load it while you're in there, like while you're doing the battles. So if you like run out of ammo, you can fill up like a speed loader, put it like have it hold somewhere, maybe like have it hold somewhere, and when you run out of ammo, just refill it. Somewhere that you could hold it is by a vest. It helps like take sting out of you, and like when you get hit. So if you're just beginning and you don't really want to get hurt, I recommend a coat. That's where I started off, and yeah, I just started out with a coat, a pistol, and some sunglasses. It's not too safe sunglasses, but you obviously need BBs. I recommend looking on like the gun. I recommend looking on the gun like manual, seeing what type of BBs they need, and I recommend going to like an actual place instead of like just doing like backyard airsoft or like street airsoft, because you could possibly get the police called on you, like not if you don't know, like if people like really can't see the orange chip. So I recommend going to a place. If you don't have enough money, just do backyard airsoft, but you might get police called. And if you really want to be like really set, I don't recommend like buying a ton of stuff, but you could buy like a pretty good gun. Like this was only like $60, and it's a pretty good gun. This is a pretty good gun. It was only like 30. You don't need to buy a ton of stuff. You could just buy a really good gun, and, like a good gun. Like ask your friends if they like airsoft, or like look at reviews on Amazon. So that's you. Usually I get electric guns because I don't want to buy, like, because I usually don't make much money because I can't get a job. I would recommend CO2 guns, because then you don't like run out of battery. You can just keep CO2 on you, so you don't have to like buy another battery. CO2 is less expensive. Like CO2 is less expensive than a battery, except usually I just charge my battery. So, because usually I just do Street Wars. So, yeah, that's about it. That's what I would recommend for beginning airsoft. I'm a beginner. Don't like this is just where I started at. Like, and it's gone pretty good for me. I'm a beginner. Don't like think I'm like a pro, and like, yeah. So I'm a beginner. I've said that a ton. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to be notified when